Let's see the recipe of a tasty fish curry that is popular across South India. First, dry roast some mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, and coriander seeds. Keep them aside, later we will prepare a powder out of them. And in the same pan, add some oil, mustard seeds, let them crackle, then add fenugreek seeds and cumin seeds. Once they are sizzling, time to add curry leaves. Next, add roughly ground ginger garlic paste. Saute until the rawness goes away from the ginger garlic paste. You can always add some water whenever you feel like the masala is sticking to the bottom. Note that we haven't used any onions in this recipe. Now add chopped tomatoes. Here I have taken only one tomato because we are getting enough sourness from the tamarind and the mango pieces that we are going to use later in this recipe. Cover and let the tomatoes cook for some time. And now take a small raw mango, peel and chop it into pieces. You can increase or decrease the amount of raw mango that you add to this recipe as per your taste. I have added half of the mango that I had into the prepared gravy. Now saute until the raw mango is also nicely cooked. Season with salt, red chili powder, and give it a nice mix. You can skip the raw mango, but adding it will give a tangy flavor. I have added the dry spice mix that we had roasted earlier along with some water. Let it come to a rolling boil and then time to incorporate the tamarind water into the recipe. I have soaked a lemon-sized ball of tamarind in some warm water and now squeezing the pulp out of it. Add green chilies and the cleaned fish pieces. The fish I took here is Rohu. Give the pieces a nice stir. Make sure not over mixing. Let it come to a boil once again, and now the waiting time is only for the fish pieces to cook thoroughly. Add some coriander stems for that nice rasam style of flavor. Adjust the amount of water needed. Cover and simmer for few minutes. Add turmeric, and once the fish pieces are cooked, you are good to go. It will take roughly around 8 to 10 minutes. Just a few more minutes to go. Cover and let it simmer to absorb all the flavors. Perfect. You can follow the same process for any kind of fish and it will taste yummy. Finishing off with some more chili powder. Time to serve it up with some hot white rice. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Remember, you can adjust the sourness according to your taste. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like to see more recipes of this kind in my channel.